Unit 12.
Escape. Escape is a verb. You escaped to get away. The dog tried to escape through the open gate. Now you say the word. Escape. Escape. Honest. Honest is an adjective. If you are honest, you tell the truth. I was honest and told Dad that I lost his pen. Now you say the word. Honest. Honest. Label. Label is a noun. A label is a sticker or tag fastened to something to tell more about it. The label on the can says there is enough soup for 2 people. Now you say the word. Label. Label. Label is a verb. When you label something, you write something on a sticker or tag to tell more about it. We should label all our boxes so we know what is in each one. Now you say the word. Label. Modern. Modern is an adjective. When something is modern, it has to do with the present time. In modern times, people write more emails than letters. Now you say the word. Modern. Modern. Object. Object is a noun. An object is a thing that you can see or touch. A ball is a round object. Now you say the word. Object. Object. Pitch. Pitch is a verb. When you pitch something, you throw it. I tried to pitch the baseball right into the catcher's glove. Now you say the word. Pitch. Pitch. Select. Select is a verb. When you select something, you pick it out. At night, I select clothes to wear the next day. Now you say the word. Select. Select. Sniff. Sniff is a verb. When you sniff something, you take in air through your nose in short, quick breaths. My rabbit likes to sniff its food. Now you say the word. Sniff. Sniff. Stable. Stable is a noun. A stable is a building where horses are kept. 6 horses live in the stable. Now you say the word. Stable. Stable. Stable is an adjective. Something that is stable is strong and not easily moved. Mom fixed the chair leg to make it more stable. Now you say the word. Stable. Steep. Steep is an adjective. A steep hill has a sharp slope that is difficult to go up. We had to walk our bikes up the steep part of the trail. Now you say the word. Steep. Steep.